What is the Maven Jenkins plugin? The Maven plugin is an open source Jenkins plugin that supports Maven 2 and Maven 3 projects. And this plugin adds an additional job type to Jenkins called a Maven project. If you recall from the previous video, I walked through the new item page which listed all of the possible job types you could create in Jenkins. And this plugin adds an additional job type to that list on the new item page called Maven project. And this Maven project job type provides an advanced integration between Maven and Jenkins. But the question is, why use the Maven plugin when we could also invoke Maven inside of a freestyle project? The Maven plugin greatly reduces the configuration required for Maven projects inside of Jenkins. And the plugin enables post-build deployment of binary artifacts that are produced during a Maven build. In addition, the plugin provides graphical test reports directly in the Jenkins UI. It also supports incremental builds so as not to waste resources. We can also build modules in parallel and distribute it across executors and Jenkins nodes. The plugin also provides an additional build trigger in the Maven project job type. If it's enabled, Jenkins will parse the POM files of the current project. If any of the dependencies listed in the POM file are built on this Jenkins instance, then Jenkins will set up a build dependency relationship so that anytime the dependency job is ran, any downstream jobs that have that dependency listed in their POM file will also be triggered to run.